This video goes over how to add Google Ads remarketing code to your Google Tag Manager account. For this video, please start at ads.google.com. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more free videos. For this video, please start under Goals, Conversions, and Summary. From here, we're going to select Web Forms, which we made in a past video. If you scroll down, click the drop-down for Tag Setup. Click Install the tag yourself. If you scroll all the way down, you'll see your code for Google Ads Remarketing. You only need to copy the AW-string of numbers that is inside of that code. Once you do that, go to tagmanager.google.com. From here, make sure you're on the tag section and click New. Edit your tag configuration. Click Google Ads, Google Ads Remarketing. Enter your conversion ID, which is the AW-string of numbers. For triggering, click Edit, Add All Pages, name your tag, click Save. Now make sure you submit your changes. You can name your version if you'd like, otherwise click Publish, Continue. And now you have Google Ads Remarketing set up. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.